if our house burns down or if we wreck our car, that we won't have to come out of pocket for a lot of money, right?
Right.
So what do you think's more likely to happen? Your house burned down or the stock market correct?
It's crashing before that house burns, probably.
More than likely. And so we just want to make sure that people know that have money in banks, that they have the ability to be able to move money into a higher interest rate environment, guaranteed, and get better than bank returns. And for those folks that are worried that are in the stock market right now, I mean, let's face it, we're at the top of Mount Everest right now in the market. They actually can take some of that money, take it off the table and put it somewhere safe so that they can have peace of mind. We call it sleep insurance.
Sleep insurance, I like that. Well, to schedule a time to meet with Securus, call 636-720-4252. And for more information about the services they provide, just go to securemoneyplan.com. Planning to retire soon? Don't do it without talking to this guy. Chris Shreves is here from Securus with advice on what you need to do before you leave the job market for good. We all dream of retirement, but what do we need to do before we retire?
You know, Heidi, I got to tell you, there's been many studies done that when people get ready to retire and they start thinking about, geez, how long is this going to last? People are very humiliated when they get to the point in their retirement where they're starting to think, I'm going to run out of money.
You panic. You
panic, and there can't be anything more humiliating than that in life, because you've worked your life away, and then next thing you know, you want to enjoy it and you can't. So what we really want to try to do is help people get to a dignified retirement. And I can tell you that in the time that we've been in business, not one client has ever lost one dime. And our goal is to help people understand how to take those assets and turn them into income, because it doesn't matter how many assets you have. If you don't have income, you can't have a good retirement.
I think, too, some people worry, I don't have even enough money. So to come into you, maybe it's slightly embarrassing, but people shouldn't be embarrassed to come in. It doesn't matter how much money they've saved up. You can help them start.
Absolutely. They should not be embarrassed. The thing of it is, the sooner you do it, the easier it is. But the reality is you need to learn what it takes to get to retirement. How much money are you going to need? And we actually have classes. It's called the ABCs of Conservative Financial Planning. And so if you want to do a class, we have 9-hour classes. It's 3 separate days. You can actually call our office, and we will give you half off of that class if you call in the next 24 hours.
Really?
And it's a class that people absolutely love. We teach it at the community colleges. We're actually trying to get some places right now that are a little easier to get in and out of for people. People get a little bit intimidated when they get into these big colleges. But anyway, these classes are really, really good at trying to teach people, what they need to be doing, and we show them how to do it conservatively so that they don't have to worry about running out of money at retirement.
Yeah, and then you can retire and enjoy it.
Exactly.
Because, that would be miserable to not enjoy. You work so hard. You want to enjoy your retirement.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Your health is important. And if you're worried and you're watching your money the whole time that you're retired, you're going to shave some years off your life.
Right.
And if you're trying to save your money, what's going to end up happening is you're going to end up dying. And instead of you getting that new boat, that new car, and that new vacation package, your kids are just going to go do it. So, you might as well try to take care of yourself first.
I agree. Securus is located in Cottleville on Highway N. Give them a call at either 636-720-1900 or 1-800-720-4252. You can also find them online at securusnow.com. Their email address is also listed right there on your screen. Thank you for the advice. When will you be ready for retirement? The sooner the better, right? That's why talking with an experienced financial advisor is so important.
Securus, insurance, estate, and financial planning. We really would like to think that the name speaks for itself. Clients come to us and they want their finances secured. So our job is to help you secure your tomorrow today. We've actually put together a group of professionals that works together, and we create plans that are specific to the individual needs of each client. So we're going to bring together the tax person, the legal person, the financial person, and the insurance people in order to create those plans. We do a couple of different classes. There's an adult education class that we're doing at several of the colleges in the area. It's 3 evenings, 3 hours each, and it's basically called the ABCs of Conservative Financial Planning.
Mark was getting closer to retirement, and we wanted someplace safe for our retirement funds. We went and started the classes. It was very informative. And when we first knew that we were going to an evening, and it was, I think, a 3-hour course, it was like, oh, this better be good. It went so quickly because they presented it in a way that was easy to listen to and easy to learn.
They first laid out the concept about how to take your hard-earned retirement money and put it to good use.
This is what we call our real benefits chart. You have 3 lines on this chart. And as you can see, when you compare the down markets right here to our products that we use, which are the indexed annuities, the green line never really has a down year. It always continues on an upward trend. At the end of the day, our clients have never lost 1 dime. We're helping you keep the things that you have, get them where you want them to go when you're done with them, but live instead of exist in the middle of all that. You don't just want to take a guess and a stab at it. Our goal is to make sure that when people retire, they can stay retired and that they'll know exactly what their income is going to be, and we'll make sure that it meets their needs. If you just sit down and get it done, you'll have a big sigh of relief.
I feel like we have a plan, know where we're going, know who to go to if we need something, because they're here for us. I really feel like they're here for us and that they care. I feel like it's sort of a family.
Securus offers a variety of classes and is always ready to sit down for a free, no-obligation meeting. Give them a call at 636-720-1900 or 1-800-720-4252 to find out more. You can also check them out online at securemoneyplan.com.